I'm Thomas Schmidtges. I'm process engineer responsible for reactor design at InnoSyn. InnoSyn is a contract research organization delivering innovative, sustainable and scalable processes. Batch processes, especially with exothermic reactions, carry risks. Overheating, solvent boiling and potential safety hazards handling big volumes of reactive media. We addressed these challenges with our flow reactors by using advanced 3D structures made through additive manufacturing, delivering superior heat transfer and excellent mixing. Our flow reactors handle hazardous chemistry safely thanks to their small volumes and effective removal of reactive energy, enabling fast, robust and scalable reactions with consistent quality. To bring this vision to life, we rely on the expertise of toolcraft.
Hi, my name is Christoph Barth and I'm a materials and welding engineer at toolcraft, specialized in additive manufacturing. At toolcraft we lead the way in high-precision manufacturing solutions, and our expertise in additive manufacturing sets us apart. In our state-of-the-art facilities we operate 10 laser powder bed and 3 laser metal deposition systems, delivering exceptional results for industries that demand innovation and precision. Our comprehensive selection of metal alloys allows us to tailor solutions to our customers' exact specifications. Thanks to our certification in accordance with the European Pressure Equipment Directive, we are capable of producing microreactors designed to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. The necessary tests and documentation are conducted in our in-house testing laboratory in close collaboration with a notified body, ensuring that our pressure vessels meet all industrial requirements.
Hi, my name is Christoph Haug. I'm a member of the executive board here at toolcraft. My main responsibilities are technology and sales. Thanks to the great collaboration between the InnoSyn and the toolcraft teams, both companies are now strategically well equipped to be able to provide partners in the chemical and pharmaceutical industry with these innovative and approved reactor systems in the best possible way.